Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will watch a young girl transform an old messy motel room into a neat and clean living space. Renovating an old, uncomfortable motel room with a low budget is not just about creating a comfortable, peaceful, and pleasant living space, but also shows the ingenuity, creativity, and personality of the user. A clean, neat, and reasonable living environment will contribute to improving health, reducing stress and fatigue. The renovation process can be an exciting and memorable experience, building new memories in your new living space. Cleaning the room will remove dirt, bacteria, mold, allergens, and pathogens. A bowl of tofu will give more energy to continue the renovation work. Getting rid of old items will reduce clutter, creating a more spacious and pleasant living space. Old items may no longer be safe or may be damaged, endangering the health of the homeowner and others. Clean windows and doors not only help eliminate potential allergens and pathogens, but also helps the living space become bright and airy. The view through the window will be clearer and more connected to the outside environment. Improve aesthetics and create a good impression for guests visiting the house, showing the care and thoughtfulness of the homeowner. The new paint helps remove stains, cracks, and other imperfections. Waterproofing, protecting walls, creating a clean and fresh space. Light pink is often associated with feelings of love, tenderness, and romance. Helps create a warm, friendly, and pleasant space. The combination of light pink and white creates a balanced and harmonious space, youthfulness and freshness. A lovely painting on the wall will create a highlight for the space, making the room more lively, fresh, and artistic. Lovely paintings can help reduce stress and anxiety and create a feeling of relaxation and comfort. Faux wood carpets are not only cheap, easy to install and replace, no need for complicated techniques, but also brings natural beauty and luxury like real wood floors, helping the living space become cozy and intimate. In addition, faux wood carpets are softer than real wood, creating a comfortable feeling when moving, and creating a feeling of harmony and closeness to nature. On the other hand, a wooden bed brings warmth and natural texture to the bedroom, creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Refurbishing old, discarded beds will also help save costs and create a personal touch. However, they need to be cleaned for health reasons. Adding and replacing wooden details such as the headboard or floor frame for the bed will bring strength, durability, and create more depth. Foam pieces not only help hide the flaws of the bed frame, creating soft lines, but also increases aesthetics and comfort when used. Meanwhile, using a white bed frame cover with pink bed sheets is a smart choice. White has the ability to reflect light well, making the space brighter and more spacious. Pink also contributes to a feeling of comfort and relaxation. The combination of these two colors gives a youthful, modern feel and helps create a relaxing environment, ideal for sleep. On the other hand, using cans and cardboard to make furniture not only saves costs, reduces waste, and protects the environment, but also shows creativity, sustainable lifestyle, as well as inspires people. Thick cushions will always be the perfect choice for sofas because of their softness. Will bring the most comfortable and relaxing feeling to minimize stress and fatigue. A sofa with neutral colors often brings a delicate, elegant beauty and never goes out of style. This helps the room become more elegant and luxurious. Furthermore, furniture made from recycled materials will create unique, more stylish designs that bring fresh feelings to viewers. For example, an old tire can be turned into an artistic tea table. The tabletop and legs are made from wood, bringing natural beauty and harmony, creating a friendly and close feeling. Rope will also create color uniformity, bringing not only classic beauty but also uniqueness and newness. With meticulousness and ingenuity, the girl finally created a new living space that is not only neat, peaceful, and warm, but also shows creativity, style, as well as commitment to environmental protection when reusing discarded materials. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment which step you like best.